Hello everybody, what we have here today is our refrigerator freezer combo. Now this brand is from our company, Cooler Depot. First off, let me give you the overall dimensions for this unit. For the height width caster wheels, we'll be looking at 82.5 inches. Now the removal of these caster wheels will have us with 78.5 inches, okay? Now for the width, will be 83 inches. And for the depth, we have 32 and 5/8. Looking up here, we have two separate control panels. The first control panel is for the refrigerated side, one refrigeration, second refrigeration. On this side, for the freezer part, this control panel will operate the freezer. Okay. Now for the interior dimensions, let me give you the sizes for each. From the depth to the front shelf, we look at 25 inches. For the height, we'll be looking at 50 inches. And for the width, we'll be looking at 23.5 inches. This is for the freezer portion. Okay. Coming right here for the refrigeration section. Depth and height remains the same as the freezer. For the overall width, we'll be looking at 50 inches. Looking here, we have the ETL listed stamps, ETL listed, and ETL sanitation listed.
Let's.
Top here, look at the lights and the blow fans. And right here too, we have some operating or maintenance instructions how to clean a condenser coil. When we come back here, we have two separate plugs. The first plug right here is going to be a 110. Okay, this will operate the refrigeration section. And the second right here will also be a 110 outlet. This will operate the freezer. Okay, and as shown, the compressor here is from Embraco for the freezer, and also Embraco for the refrigerator. Again, this is our refrigerator freezer combo from our company Cooler Depot. For any additional questions, feel free to contact us or visit our website. Thank you.